Hey, Justin Lobato here, inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, actually inside of a car inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, to of course show you the DP VLP coating. Now, this is an amazing product for interior. It lasts months. It's a nano-polymer protection, so it's not like a traditional dressing that may be pesky in regards to application with streaking. This is something that's going to set you up for months versus weeks, and also give you protection on both your, or I should say your vinyl, your plastic, your leather, your rubber. I mean, it covers a lot of different surfaces and protects against body soil, regular contaminants getting in and out of the vehicle, and of course, most of all, UV protection. Of course, with our southern states here like Florida, that helps a lot. And one thing I personally like, it's a low sheen, no residue. And we're going to show you that today and how that application process looks. First and foremost, prior to applying this product, you always have to prep, and that's where the DP Total Interior Cleaner comes into play. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this dash down with the DP Total Interior Cleaner first to clean the surface, and then of course we'll follow it up with the DP VLP coating to protect the surface. Now, we've prepped and cleaned the interior surface with the DP Total Interior Cleaner. What we're going to do is now move forward with applying the DP VLP coating. This application, you want to shake the bottle. You don't have to get aggressive with it, just enough to make sure it's all mixed together well. Get yourself a small applicator pad like you see here, which is the Speedmaster microfiber applicator. And what I like to do is I like to use the color side first. That way I know if I could use the second side, I have that opportunity, but it also gives me to where if anything transitions, I could see it on the color. So after I've shaken my VLP coating, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to the actual applicator, as you see here, get it primed up. And then I'm only gonna do a partial application to this dash so you can see the complete transition of what this product has to offer. Now, with this, you could go in lines, or you could work it into the surface. I prefer to work it into the surface because the surface is textured, so that will allow you to get up into the grooves and the textured surface of this dash or any surface you're applying it to. And this product is something you'll work in really nice and you'll leave it alone to let it set up. And if you have a new dash, it'll be pretty straightforward and simple, and usually one application will do the job. But if it's a later model vehicle, a little older, a little dry, you may want to come back with maybe an additional application just to serve the purpose of what the product can do for you and its full potential. So as you see there, it was just that easy in regards to application. I basically agitated it into the surface so it has proper bond, being it, of course, it's a nanopolymer protection versus a traditional dressing, so that way you get it to where it sets up and it helps in regards to preserving the surface. If you find yourself having any additional product to the surface, you could take a microfiber towel and literally just let the towel just lightly wipe across the surface just to remove that little bit of residual that might be there to even it out. Because of course, every interior surface material is going to be a little different on how it accepts the product. So if you have that, you just wipe gently and that will nicely even it out and then pick up any of that excess product that you have left behind. And of course, anything else you want to learn about the DP products or the DP VLP coating, visit autogeek.com for more information.